Guangzhou Yaping Refinement Chemical Company Limited, established in 2005, is a professional company engaged in the research, development, manufacture, sale, and service of skincare set, jelly masks, facial serum, collagen sheet masks, natural soaps, all kinds of skincare products, spa, aesthetic products, body care and hair care, etc. We are located in Guangzhou City with convenient transportation access. Our factory covers an area of 15,000 square meters and has 10 production lines. Can meet all the customization needs of customers. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, our factory has obtained ISO GMPC certificates, CPS and FSC certificates also can be applied according to customers' requirements. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as the USA, Canada, Europe, Australia, Middle East, Asia, and other countries and regions. Our raw materials are mainly imported from France, Italy, Germany, etc. Also, OEM and ODM services are available. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Welcome to visit and consult.